Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis yesterday, although I will say now that the chart's a little tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, and you bought there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture point of view, I get it. From the highs, the price did pull back. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I am going to be talking about things from a bigger picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into the trade. And the reason why I would still call this overall chart plenty bullish, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say that the price actually came back down there to that $1.42 mark, which has got quite the track record after today. But price comes down here, behaves like that. So in other words, history repeats itself once again and the price starts to go back upwards. What would you have? Well, emphasis here on the big picture. From the big picture perspective, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. Then you'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture point of view, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do over time. They make progress forward. And in this situation, that quote-unquote progress point right up there at $1.42. Again, I get it. I'm well aware if you're a day trader and you bought there or there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back from its highs, but stop and think about that word today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to ultimately chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.